5 business website ideas to make money in 2024. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video what we're going to be doing is we are going to be going ahead and talking about different crazy 10 website or different business website ideas that are going to help us generate a lot of great money for ourselves in the easiest, most simplest way. And all these ideas that you're going to get are pretty nice, they're pretty fun, and they're pretty cool to start a business. Okay, so first of all, to start things off for ourselves, what we're going to do is we're going to come over to the Amazon Associates Central. Okay, now, what is the Amazon Associates business? First of all, you have your Amazon.com, right? Now, Amazon.com, one of the biggest, if not the biggest, store on the internet. And obviously, when you come with such a big, enterprise, you come with such a big handler, you're for sure guaranteed to have all the best features for yourself. Okay, you're for sure to get all the greatest diplomas, all the greatest things to work with for your different money making machines. Now, when it comes to Amazon.com, what you can do is you can actually use Amazon.com's Associates Central to make money. So, what is Amazon's Associates Central? Now, Amazon Associates Central is basically an affiliation. Now, if you are not sure what an affiliation is where you're going to be basically promoting products, and if anyone buys a product using your promotion, you're going to get a commission off of it. So here's Amazon Associates website, Amazon Associates Amazon Affiliate Marketing Program. Welcome to the one of the largest affiliate marketing programs in the world. Amazon Associates programs help content creators, publishers, and bloggers monetize their traffic, and with millions of products and programs available on Amazon, associates use easy link building tools to direct their audience to their recommendations and earn from qualifying purchases and programs. So here you can see sign up, recommend, and earn. So it joins tens and thousands of creators, publishers, and bloggers who are earning with the Amazon Associates program. Then you have recommended, where you can share millions of products with your audience. We have customized linking tools for large publishers, individual bloggers, and social media influencers. And then you can earn up to 10% in associate commissions from qualifying purchases and programs, with their competitive conversion rates helping them maximize earnings. Okay, so it gives us a pretty good rough general idea of what the Amazon Associates Central are. And simply, as I stated, all you're going to be needing to do in this case is just, scouring your internet through for your Amazon Associates Central and finding the best types of, you could say, belongings to work with, the best type of people, the best type of sellings to work with. Obviously, choose a good niche, good category, and that's a great way to start making money. Okay. Then, moving on, let's move to another business platform. It's called Empire Flippers. Okay. Now, Empire Flippers is a place where you can buy, sell online businesses and websites. Okay. It's the number one curated online business marketplace. You can join thousands of customers and get around the globe to people who've bought and sold over $450 million worth of online businesses. And absolutely get started for free. And you have different companies where you can get started off on. Okay, you get all these latest listings like Amazon FBA, display advertising, Amazon FBA, like 4 other times, and multiple. So it gives you a pretty good general sudden idea of how we're gonna work with this, how we're gonna move with this, and it's pretty nice to work with all of this. Now, moving on, you can get started really easily as well. It says how it works for buying a business. You have popular monetizations as well, like Amazon Associates, Fulfillment by Amazon. You have Fulfillment by Merchants. You have Amazon KDP, Merch by Amazon, Display Advertising, Drop Shipping, and e-commerce. Okay, so it gives you a pretty good idea of how we're going to work with this. And it gives you a really nice idea of what websites to sell, what websites to work on. You get the listings, the monthly net profiles, and the actual price that these websites are made and sold on. So pretty nice and pretty cool. Now, once we've talked about this, Another great platform, which is probably the most popular platform on this list, and you probably most definitely know about this, it's called Fiverr. Now, Fiverr is a platform where you can provide your services. So anything that you're good at, you can provide the services for that platform down here in Fiverr. And when you tell people about yourself in Fiverr, what happens from there is that people get a pretty good, nice general idea of how they're supposed to work with things in your store or how they're supposed to contact you for when it comes to working with them on websites like these, okay? So it gives you a pretty good general idea of working and freelancing. So this gives you a general idea of working with Fiverr and getting the best outcome and yield of your money making schemes online. And obviously provide good services, do good work, get good customers, get good gigs, and that is how you're going to be making money. Moving on, there's also another place. It's called Watchers on the Wall. Now, Watchers on the Wall is obviously a type of, you could say, decentralized finance section where you can get views. Okay. The Watchers on the Wall is obviously a more, you could say, episode of a certain show, Game of Thrones. Now, you can go into certain websites like, you have different storybook websites, you have Amazon KDP websites. Now, the reason that we have all these websites is to upload things onto these websites to make money, okay? So that is what you need to have a good concept of the idea of money and a whole lot of these things. So you're going to want to make sure that you have a good concept of money and a good, nice, decent idea of story writing and a whole lot more. Okay. Now, one final place to make money is called Against the Compass. Okay. Here you have Against the Compass. Off the beaten track travel blog, okay? It's Against the Compass and it's for, all those travelers out there. You can like obviously create different travel websites because tons and tons of people come to travel websites to see different places they want to travel. Now, the more views and clicks you get on stuff like this, the more popularity and the more lead generation and revenue you get on things like these. So, obviously, I would definitely recommend people to use apps like these because they help you a lot. Like, they help you crazily. You have no idea how much they are, how helpful and incredible they are. So, yeah, those are the best business ideas that you can come up with to make money online because these are one of the most top rated niches nowadays, and it's one of the most top rated places that people are selling nowadays. So, yeah, that's pretty much about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. Let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be making more for you. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.